किसी का दिल टूटता है, आपका भी दिल टूटा होगा, आई एम श्योर मल्टीपल टाइम्स, बहुत लोगों का टूटता है। लेकिन आपको ये देखना है कि आप उसमें कितनी देर तक स्टक रहोगे। दो तीन चीजें करते हैं लोग, राइट? कि एक, या तो वो उसमें महीनों या सालों तक स्टक रह जाएंगे, दे वोंट मूव अहेड, दे विल एक्चुअली लूज ईदर फेथ इन लव और दे विल स्टार्ट हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ फियर।
I heard a monk saying the purpose of life is to give love and is to receive love.
How important it is to fall in love with yourself, to attract love.
अगर मैं किसी चैलेंज के लिए अपने लिए चीजें कर सकते हो, तो रोज कर सकते हो अपने लिए चीजें।
Before assessing someone else, you assess yourself. The red flag is not out there first, it's inside.
We are befooled also. Emotions के नाम पे हम लोग मैनिपुलेट भी होते हैं और हम मैनिपुलेट होने देते हैं।
First step is to figure out what my values are, what I'm okay with, what I'm not okay with at all. क्योंकि society used to ही नहीं है for women asking for what they want. But the thing is, we have to be the change makers.
The importance of romantic gestures in a marriage.
For me personally, it is very important to do and receive cute gestures.
When there is love, exchange of love, there is good communication between the two of you. It becomes easy and natural.
Two different people coming together, falling in love, finding each other, finding their own selves and creating such a beautiful world for themselves. So अगर ये दोनों कर सकते तो हम सब कर सकते हैं. Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another beautiful episode of A Happy World Within, a podcast, a show where we talk about endless possibilities, endless potential, happiness, joy, love, and all the good things of life. I'm always in the attempt to bring a varied number of guests at the podcast so that आप लोगों को मैं नए नए लोगों से इंट्रोड्यूस करा सकूं, उनकी जर्नी से इंट्रोड्यूस करा सकूं एंड जहां से हम सब मिलकर आपस में कुछ ना कुछ सीख सकें. In my this attempt today, I have got very beautiful two people with me, and for the first time on our podcast, I am bringing you guys a love story. The romantic person in me is always madly in love with my own self and life, and what better than to bring love story of two beautiful individuals whom I know personally. And this love story has been conceived in front of me. This love story has grown in front of me, and now they are in the beautiful holy bond of matrimony, marriage, and both of them are coaches. They are my coaches. I am their mentee. I've learned so much from them. And let me introduce you both to Ayushi. Ayushi is a relationship coach specializing in building relationships and finding love in life. And Yajan, who is an emotional clarity coach. His subject is emotional wellness and happiness. And here they both are. Welcome to the show, Ayushi and Yajan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nivedita. This is, I mean, your introduction was so sweet and so well paced. I love it. I love your podcasting skills, man.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm so excited because we've been talking about it for a very long time कि तुम दोनों की love story मुझे लेकर आनी है, show पे लेके आनी है. And because I want people to believe in love, because the generation nowadays, they've stopped believing in love and marriage. And there's one beautiful story, two different people coming together, falling in love with each other, and then finally शादी हो गई.
Finally.
So, Ayushi, let me start from you. You are a relationship coach, and I've seen you give relationship coaching and talking about it for the longest time. I want to know from you, you fell in love with Yajan and you both met. How did it all start?
Hmm.
Ayush is blushing. Just look at her. She's blushing and she's trying to remember the exact moment, the eureka moment, aha moment. Huh?
I'm trying to remember, the way you phrased it here. I'm trying to remember how did it all start, right? I think कुछ भी ऐसे हमें ऐसा लगता है कि सब कुछ एक मोमेंट में हो जाता है. Like if I talk about it, it feels like it was just a moment that was like आर्या पार वाला जो मोमेंट होता है, लेकिन बहुत टाइम से बिल्डअप होता है that leads it there, right? तो I think it started the first time we ever met in person. तब तक मुझे रियलाइज नहीं हुआ था. आई थिंक यजन को भी रियलाइज नहीं हुआ था. बट वी मेट in 2023. I was in a different relationship at that time, and we met for work. We met to be business partners, right? We had already started working together. लेकिन उसके बाद हमने सोचा एक बार personally भी मिल लेते हैं यार. इससे पहले हम अपना पहला retreat, पहला event करें. Personally ऐसे in person तो मिल लें. हम जब मिले तो 1-1.5 घंटे की conversation हुई होगी. और उस 1-1.5 घंटे में ही maybe उस दिन I was not feeling well or what, I don't remember exactly. लेकिन he recalls this again and again कि he asked me, I sat down in the cafe in front of him.
क्योंकि यजन को पहली नजर में प्यार हो गया था, इसलिए उसको याद है ना यजन?
नहीं, we'll come back to it when I talk about
It
my
wasn't
initial thoughts.
first it
Love at
wasn't
first
love
sight.
at first sight for both of us. It was just understanding at first sight, I think.
Mhm.
That's what you can call it. So I sat down in front of him and he's like, how are you? And मेरा reply था, do you really want to know? मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ pleasantries में अपन जैसे how are you बोलते थे ना, I'm good and all that.
You said this, do you really want to know, in that threatening tone?
No, do you really want to know as in
Are you sure you are ready?
Are you
मतलब,
sure
are you
you're
sure
ready to
you're
listen?
ready to receive? मतलब should I be vulnerable एकदम से? And then I did. I opened up about a few things which I don't remember what I opened up about. क्योंकि मेरे लिए ऐसा होता है कि मैं एक बार बोल दूं तो वो खत्म हो गया मामला. तो फिर I did and then we bonded 1 घंटे में. And 1 घंटे बाद I had to go. He had to leave. He had to go back somewhere. While I was walking away, I was like, कुछ तो है जो
गिटार बजा?
गिटार नहीं बजा. It was like मेरा कुछ रह गया यहाँ पे.
मेरा कुछ सामान तुम्हारे पास?
हाँ. और ऐसे मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था कि my string got attached to him and now it's being pulled.
Pulled.
जितना दूर यजन was going, उतनी मेरी वो string खिंच रही थी.
Then she says love at first sight नहीं हुआ, ऐसे कैसे?
Not, it
That
didn't
was the
feel
pull
like
at
love.
first sight.
It,
The pull at first sight.
First
it didn't
meeting.
feel like love. It was just a pull, right? And I was like, what is this pull? What is this pull? So it started there, I would say.
हमारा लड़का आपको पसंद आ गया.
Not
ऐसा
in
बोल
a
सकते.
romantic way yet.
She's still not admitting it.
I won't admit it because I was still myself confused कि ये क्या है? ये क्या pull है जो और ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? मतलब we saw each other very like with a lot of reverence, right? With a lot of respect and not at all romantic way.
Yeah. But for me, she was already in a relationship, so I was not keeping my
I was
radar
coming to
open.
that, कि यजन, like when you met her for the first time, like she's told her part of the story. What is your story?
So
Even
we
I
met
don't know
for the
yet.
first time on a Zoom call.
I remember because
Yeah,
it
because of the
was a work
retreat.
related.
Yeah, so I was staying in mountains. I was living a very different life. And then one day Ronit called me and he's like, oh, there's another business partner. We need to work together. We are discussing about it. In next 1 hour, we are on a call. And then now I can see whole spectrum of emotions. But during that call, it was just work. I don't think so. For an hour, we talked about things and
Yes,
other
and
things.
work.
She had a smile on her face. And I was sitting with my friend in that place and I was like, भाई इन लोग के साथ कैसे काम होगा यार, ये तो हंसते ही नहीं है. And for me,
Emotions.
not sure about the emotion, but I need fun in life. I love to laugh and be happy and be cheerful and be joyful even if something is happening. यहाँ बॉम्ब फट गया तो मैं पहले उस पर मजाक बनाऊंगा, फिर मैं देखूंगा अच्छा किसी को बचाना है कि नहीं बचाना. पहले मैं हंसूंगा भाई फट गया, बॉम्ब फट गया. And these guys, they are not laughing at all. Laughing is a different thing. It's like
I can imagine
epitome of
Ronit
emotion,
into that zone.
right? And she's like, काम क्या करना है ये? This task, you take this, you take. Oh damn, ye kahan, where did I subscribe myself to? But then as she said, we wanted to like meet together before organizing our first retreat. So I went to Mumbai and we met. And when we met, it was different. Like the in-person energy is totally different.
Totally different.
And when I said, how are you? And she said, do you really want to know? And I also went with the same intent to genuinely know
No, what's going on?
what's going on, because when we talk about the work that we are doing, we cannot be at a surface level. We have to go deeper. to
Know each other better as a person.
Yeah, before serving others, we need to understand our energies. And I guess that was a very beautiful space that we could curate from day one, that holding that vulnerable space for each other. As I speak, I realize I can do more today, right? That's a journey, right? The more we'll talk about it, maybe we'll get to know about things that we can do more and we can do less of. But leaving the lesson part of it, coming back to the story part of it, that was there. It felt really nice. I felt I found a friend. a female friend, which I don't know when
was
did
the
I have.
last time you had a female
Yeah,
friend?
yeah, because from past few years, the only friends that I've got, close knitted friends, would be my two cousins.
Mhm.
I'm very close to. Yes, I have a lot of friends, a huge list of friends, but with whom I can be vulnerable, my
Mhm.
authentic self. And eventually, I found that friend in her where I could genuinely open up. As and when the time passes by, I could see myself sharing things about myself, which maybe I have been staying with people for years and they don't
They
know.
don't know about.
I have that capability. I'm not sure if it is good or bad. It's like I can sit with you for hours talking about you, but you'll not get to know a bit about me
Mhm.
if I'm not ready to share, and you'll not even feel it. But with her, it just came. It just came naturally. It just flew. As I said, maybe I found a friend. So yeah, it started there. So happy Friendship Day.
You should celebrate that day as a happy friendship
Yeah.
day.
Yeah.
So, Ayushi, I know that, and you spoke about it also, that when you met Yajan, you were already in a relationship. And I guess you were engaged also, rocafied after that. So, that fell apart. So, I want you to address the people over there. And you like, this is a very important question because दिल टूटता है ना, हम लोग प्यार में विश्वास करना छोड़ देते हैं. Like, because हमें लगता है कि यार, because we become like a porcupine. कि दिल टूटा है तो बस अब उसके बाद कोई भी पास आने की कोशिश करता है तो हम अपने कांटे निकाल लेते हैं because we are so scared of getting hurt. I want to know when, obviously you must have gone through a bad time at that time, emotional devastation होती है जब भी दिल टूटता है तो आप उसमें से बाहर कैसे निकले?
So I process these things very differently. मतलब I do two things. अब हर किसी का दिल टूटता है, आपका भी दिल टूटा होगा, आई एम श्योर मल्टीपल टाइम्स, बहुत लोगों का टूटता है. लेकिन आपको ये देखना है कि आप उसमें कितनी देर तक स्टक रहोगे, कि जो हुआ वो हुआ. अब उसके बाद दो तीन चीजें करते हैं लोग, राइट? कि एक, या तो वो उसमें महीनों या सालों तक स्टक रह
Keep on
जाएंगे,
sulking and
है ना?
crying
हाँ,
about
वो
it.
दुखी रहेंगे एंड देन दे वोंट मूव अहेड. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि they'll actually lose either faith in love or they'll start having a lot of fear कि अब फिर से ऐसा
दोनों
होगा
ही
मेरे
होता
साथ.
है.
दोनों ही, फेथ एंड
When
फियर दोनों हिल
clients
जाते
come
हैं.
to me, दोनों ही होता है उनके अंदर.
दोनों ही होता है, राइट? एक तो वो होता है. दूसरा ये होता है कि इवन इफ दैट रिलेशनशिप वाज नॉट सर्विंग देम, वो उसके पास वापस जाते रहते हैं. नहीं नहीं, लेट्स ट्राई टू मेक इट वर्क, लेट्स ट्राई टू लाइक salvage it however we can, right? But that's also not good. It ended in such a massive way for a reason, right? It ended because कुछ तो होगा जो नहीं सही चल रहा होगा, राइट? वो सिर्फ एक फाइट की वजह से एंड नहीं हुआ, गुस्से की वजह से एंड नहीं हुआ, वो कुछ बहुत ही बड़ा हुआ होगा दैट यू हैड टू ब्रेक ऑफ योर एंगेजमेंट, राइट? लाइक, तो दैट्स द वन थिंग आई एक्नॉलेज्ड कि अब मुड़ के नहीं देखना है, कि जो हुआ वो हुआ. आई नो इट्स सैड, वो मुड़ के नहीं देखना है. आई टॉक टू माई फ्रेंड्स, माई people who were close to me about it. I talked to Ronit about it for a while, and then I was like, you know what, just because this ended doesn't mean I don't deserve a grand love story.
Wow. Wow.
कुछ भी हो जाए, उससे पहले भी मेरे बहुत हार्ट ब्रेक्स रहे. आई हैव बीन इनटू द डेटिंग पूल सिंस आई वाज लाइक 18 or whatever. तब से बहुत हार्ट ब्रेक्स हुए हैं. आई हैव बीन लाइक हर्ट, अबैंडन्ड, चीटेड ऑन एवरीथिंग. एंड फिर भी वो कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप को रिमाइंड करते रहे मैं कि आई डिजर्व अ ग्रैंड लव स्टोरी, और वो होगी कहीं ना कहीं आउट देयर होगी. ऐसा नहीं कि वो 22 में मिल जाएगी, 25 में मिल जाएगी. डोंट पुट नंबर्स टू इट, राइट? Yeah, that's what happened, and since I kept believing in it, we are here.
आपके लिए कोई ना कोई बना के रखा हुआ है.
हाँ, ऐसा तो नहीं सोचा होगा मैंने, पता नहीं.
Obviously, this is too filmy a dialogue.
ऐसा नहीं सोचा था, बट मैंने ये तो जरूर सोचा था कि ग्रैंड लव स्टोरी तो बनती है. अपन इतने फिल्मी हैं तो फिर फिल्मी लव स्टोरी भी
कुछ तो बनेगी, और फिल्मी ही बनी है.
और फिर एकदम ही फिल्मी बन गई, लिटरली.
So Yajan, coming to you, आप पहाड़ों में क्यों भाग के चले गए थे?
भाग के?
Good question. Someone called him out.
Because I know ये तो पहाड़ों पे बैठा हुआ था. He had like left everything and gone to the mountains. क्या रीजन था आप ऐसे दीन दुनिया छोड़ के पहाड़ों में चले गए थे? साधु बनने का प्लान था?
प्लान मतलब ऐसा थॉट तो है कि या
क्या
कोविड में
जीना
मैंने
है?
पढ़ा थिंक लाइक अ मॉन्क, तो मेरे को लगा हाँ दिस इज आल्सो
इसमें
एंटाइसिंग।
इसमें आपका हार्ट ब्रेक का कितना बड़ा रोल था?
नहीं
नहीं था?
कुछ रोल नहीं था इसमें हार्ट ब्रेक का। सो आई वाज इन बैंगलोर बिफोर मूविंग टू माउंटेन्स, and before Bangalore I was, during COVID I was traveling, and I happened to stay in mountains for a while, and I realized it's such peaceful place.
Mhm.
It's like no chase, no race. And then after spending time, slow time during COVID and traveling here and there, I happened to be in Bangalore when things started opening up, and then I got an opportunity to be a coach there for a leadership coaching company. And then it was like during COVID, everything was closed, so you are not exposed to a lot of
A
people
lot
out
of people, and then suddenly
there. Bangalore, right? Suddenly Bangalore.
the work hub of the country.
Oh man, it's like
Too
traffic
many people.
and Bangalore. It's like synonymous for me.
Yeah,
In
yeah,
case
yeah.
you don't want to use traffic, oh, I was stuck in Bangalore. Maybe this can go viral, right? So, and I realized everyone is just running. Everyone is just running. They don't know about their own life. If
कर क्या रहे
on
हैं?
a traffic signal, if I stop someone, भाई कहाँ भाग रहे हो?
पता
तो
नहीं
the answer would be, भाई पता नहीं, बस जाना है. क्यों भाग रहे हो? नहीं पता, बस
That
जाना है.
sounds like Bombay.
Maybe Bombay,
Bombay
hence I
is
don't
better.
like Bombay
Bombay is
as
better.
well, right? So,
But he fell in love with the Bombay girl.
so I'm not attaching cities and statuses with the love part of it. But yeah, I realized the day I came to Bangalore, I realized, oh, this is not the place where I can be for long.
Mhm.
And then the work I was doing, I realized that this is also not the work I can do because I want to be in a free environment. If I want to be a coach, if I want to serve people, I want to serve it my way, not as per the KPIs designed for me. At that, in that moment, I realized maybe I don't belong here. Just to make the financial wheel rolling, I was there for a while, and then we realized, or maybe the universe was waiting for me to stay there so that Ronit would come in my replacement. We could have an interaction, and then I leave. So I left Bombay. I went to Leh Ladakh. I traveled for a while. During that time, it helped me a lot in opening myself for love. I was visiting a monastery, and I heard a monk saying the purpose of life is to give love and is to
And
receive love. And that hit me hard. So I gave a lot of love and shifted to mountains. So basically, the priorities of my life changed. I wanted to like breathe fresh air, drink clean water, and
Slow
eat good
life.
food.
You wanted to.
I wanted a slow life because I have stayed in Bangalore for a while, and then I realized maybe this is not what I wanted. It's okay, I'll figure it out.
If I put it in these words, that you were trying to find your own self.
Absolutely. I was in the pursuit of finding myself. It's just that now I wanted to try something which is offering me slow,
Mhm.
like quietness.
You were not in a rush to earn money or name and position. वो सब कुछ छूट गया था पीछे. You realized कि जो real peace है, that is just being with yourself, knowing more about yourself and finding purpose in life.
That's true. And I shifted to mountains thinking that someday I'll do retreats because that is a place I know. For me, the idea of retreat was like when there is an emotional upheaval, you just take someone to nature. 50% of the clutter always goes down. You take them away
Nature
from
heals you.
technology.
Yeah.
You keep them away from digital platform for about 2 days. Half of the challenges are already dissolved.
Mhm.
So my intent was, let me first place myself there and then see how I can curate that environment for others. So that's how I happened to be in mountains. I was not running. I was actually finding myself.
So, for everyone's information here, Ronit and Yajan come from completely two different backgrounds, two different personalities, and they were complete strangers before they met each other. So, this is how, when you say that you believe in love, what Ayushi just said, the entire universe conspires in your favor only. Right, Ayushi?
Yeah, yeah.
So, when we are talking about finding love, and you believed that ultimately कि एक love story तो मेरी बनी है, मुझे तो मिलेगा, मेरा वाला मिलेगा मुझे, भगवान ने बनाया. So,
Not this way, for sure.
So, Ayushi, how much role does self-love play in attracting true love in your life? I talk a lot about self-love. You know, ki fall in love with yourself madly, passionately, insanely. And I have seen that I've attracted so much love from the entire world around me because I believe a lot in love myself. So, सेल्फ लव की जब हम बात करते हैं तो जब मैं उनको मिरर एक्सरसाइजेस अपने क्लाइंट्स को देती हूँ करने के लिए कि यार कुछ नहीं 10 बार अपने आप को आई लव यू मिरर के सामने बोलो, उनसे वही नहीं होता।
Hmm.
Hmm.
I want you to put a light on this concept called self love and how important it is
Hmm.
to fall in love with yourself to attract true love in your life.
Hmm. So while you were talking, I could imagine, like, I could put a timeline to my own journey towards self-love, and then love and heartbreak, and then finding the divine kind of love that I needed in life, right? I think 2020 जब वही लॉकडाउन हुआ ना, तो हम सबको बहुत मौका मिला है अपने साथ
Time
रहने का,
spend करने
राइट? और वो दुनिया की क्लटर से दूर होने का, ताकि आप सोच पाओ, मतलब अदरवाइज हम भागते ही रहते हैं,
Mhm.
right? Suddenly after lockdown hit, that's when I got the chance to realize कि मेरे पिछले 3-4 साल के patterns बहुत ही बुरे थे. मतलब I was allowing people to treat me very horribly, and I was still thinking they have the power, they are above me,
They have the
right?
upper hand.
Yeah, and I was allowing them to do that. जबकि they never had the upper hand. We're all equals, right? There's no hierarchy in the world. तो फिर जब वो मुझे मौका मिला, तो I started doing things on my own. I was like, let me read up online, let me do some self-love courses online and start applying those methods and methodologies to myself. So I remember I did in the month of Feb, I think sometime I did a 28-day self-love challenge on Instagram कि सब साथ में करते हैं. मैं अपने लिए कर रही हूँ, लेकिन अगर आप इंस्पायर हो जाओ मुझसे करने के लिए, तो आप भी कर लेना. तो ऐसे 28 डेज के लिए अलग अलग चीजें करनी थी. एक दिन ऐसा था कि कुछ अपना नॉन नेगोशिएबल सेट करने थे और फिर वो करना चालू करना था. एक दिन दैट वी हैव टू बी वेरी माइंडफुल अबाउट हाउ वी ड्रिंक वाटर, हाउ वी टेक केयर ऑफ आवर स्किन. ऐसे करके बहुत सारी चीजें थी. 28 डेज स्प्रेड आउट. आई डिड दैट, एंड दैट, मतलब जब आप वो शीट देखते हो तो ऐसा लगता है हाँ यार, ये तो बहुत बेसिक चीजें हैं, ये तो मतलब स्किन केयर है, ये तो गोइंग टू अ कैफे है, या तो रीडिंग योर फेवरेट बुक है, ऐसी चीजें हैं. लेकिन जब आप वो सक्सेशन में करते हो ना, बैक टू बैक,
It creates the result.
मेकिंग इट अ नॉन नेगोशिएबल कि ये तो मुझे अपने लिए करना ही है, तो आपको 28th डे या नेक्स्ट मंथ आपको वो पता चलेगा कि बॉस
ये
मैं
जो
ही
किया
हूँ.
था उसका असर
हाँ,
ये मिला.
मैं
much
अपने
power
लिए
you get
करूंगी.
back.
हाँ, मतलब
There's
मैं
this
अपने लिए
shift in that
करूंगी.
energy.
एब्सोल्युटली, दैट्स व्हेन यू रियलाइज कि अगर मैं किसी चैलेंज के लिए अपने लिए चीजें कर सकते हो, तो रोज कर सकते हो अपने लिए चीजें. एंड दैट कंप्लीटली शिफ्टेड द वे आई स्टार्टेड लुकिंग एट माई सेल्फ. आई रिमेंबर तब आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग मोर इंस्टाग्राम. आई गॉट मोर एक्टिव ऑन सोशल मीडिया ऑल्सो. And when I would make videos for Instagram, I would dress up. I love doing makeup. I would dress up and I would, make videos, and I would appreciate how I looked so much more than I ever did. तो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं जिससे that completely changed how I perceived myself. Because now I perceived myself better, I got in this zone कि now no one who treats me under this, मतलब ये मेरा threshold बन गया. How I treat myself, उससे नीचे अगर किसी ने treat किया, that's not for me. That's not a relationship or even dating I want to get into, right?
I think this implies for every relationship in our life.
Absolutely.
It's not only the dating or that kind of a thing.
Absolutely.
Anything, any person who's treating you below
Below
the
that.
standard that you set, I think that is non-negotiable
Yeah.
and it should not be compromised.
Absolutely. And that's how it happened. Yeah.
So Yajan, आपसे एक बहुत important question पूछना है because ये मैं आपसे ही पूछना चाहती हूँ. We're talking a lot about red flags, and particularly in the masculine or the males कि ये red flags होते हैं. I want to ask you, what are the red flags that the girls should watch out for if they are looking to be in love or if they are already in a relationship और उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है and यहाँ उनको अगर शादी करनी है, what are the red flags that they should watch out for and immediately भागें वहाँ से? Because
ये
ultimately मैंने वो सब भूत बनते देखे हैं.
ये पक्का आपका सवाल मुझसे ही है.
ये आप ही से है.
ये आयुषी से नहीं है.
नहीं, आयुषी से मैं अलग तरीके से करूंगी.
मैंने तो रेड फ्लैग सुना ही वर्ड अभी है रिसेंटली, मुझे तो समझ में अभी आया है कि अच्छा ये है इस तरीके
मैं
से.
इसलिए ये लैंग्वेज यूज करी because this language that the
No, it
this
has been
generation
there.
is
Yeah,
using
yeah, totally,
and it's all there
totally.
on Instagram, so it's going to be more relatable.
Absolutely.
मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है इसको ऐसे सम अप करना into certain aspects. For me, the perspective is very different. I'm not sure if I'll be able to answer the question to your
तो
question
इन्हें passing
basically.
the parcel खेल सकते हैं बाद में.
Yeah, or the things that you are seeking through my answer, For me, it's like before assessing someone else, you assess yourself. The red flag is not out there first, it's inside. I have never gone with a checklist. इसमें ये है या वो है ऐसा है. मेरे लिए it does not work that way. So hence I was saying maybe I am not the best person to answer this. The more you sit with a checklist, the more you will find resistance in finding love. At times we are only fixated मुझे क्या मिल रहा है and not fixated मैं क्या दे रहा हूँ. And hence it is not working out there. I was talking to a friend couple of years back or few years back, and we were having a discussion that she was telling about her friend that पहले उसको चाहिए था लड़का अच्छा जॉब कर रहा हो, अच्छा गुड लुकिंग हो. Basically our checklist starts from the appearance perspective, the surface level things, the appearance, household, how much you are earning, this and that, and all the checklists were there. After 1 year of marriage, now you are complaining is he's not giving time to me, he's not emotionally available, or his family is not like that. अरे ये तो तुम्हारी चेकलिस्ट में था ही नहीं कभी, अब क्यों रो रहे हो फिर इस बात को? जो तुम्हारी चेकलिस्ट में था वो तुम्हें मिला, लेकिन अब तुम. So I guess it is all a gimmick that we have created for ourselves. We are complicating our own life. Life is simple, I believe. It's the same way for men or women. It's like life is simple. We complicate it.
This is my dialect, exactly.
Right.
We human beings complicate life. Life is
So maybe there will be some traits that, okay, yes, these should not be the traits that I would want in my life or in my life partner. Again, it can be very subjective, right? For me, it is like the way you treat people, right? How kind you are, how joyful you are. I cannot be with someone who cannot laugh. It is a red flag for me. Or maybe it is not a red flag, it is just that I'm not vibing with that person. हम ऐसे बहुत आसान है हमारे लिए ना किसी को सिग्निफाई करना कि इसमें रेड फ्लैग. अरे वो अपनी उनकी माँ से जाके पूछो, उनके लिए तो आंखों का तारा है उनके लिए. हम इतना जल्दी किसी को ऐसे टैग कर देते हैं, जज कर लेते हैं. पहले तुम अपने अंदर झांको, तुम हो क्या बुद्धा जो तुम दूसरे में वो बुद्धा ढूंढ रहे हो? तुम
मुझे तो बुद्धा दिख रहा है.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है.
So this is ये होता है पहाड़ों पे जाने का फायदा. This is monk चंदू.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. It's just that before
very wise words,
someone
very wise
else, it's like पहले मैं अपने अंदर देखूं कि मेरे अंदर वो ग्रीन है कि नहीं है जो मैं बाहर दूसरे का रेड ढूंढ रहा हूँ. And I do this activities during my retreat as well. It's like you will only see what you are looking at. मेरे को अगर इस पूरे रूम में पिंक दिख रहा है क्योंकि मैं पिंक देख रहा हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है यहाँ और कलर्स नहीं है, लेकिन मेरे को जो देखना है मेरे को वही दिखेगा. तो अगर मैं किसी को देखने उस तरीके से जा रहा हूँ कि मेरे को इसको आज रिजेक्ट किस लिए करना है, तो मेरे को वो दिखेंगे, भर भर के दिखेंगे, चाहे वो किसी और के लिए ग्रीन हो. So I have a very different perspective.
But all said and done, Ayushi, we cannot deny the toxicity in relationships. हम देखते हैं, और ऐसा नहीं कि हमारे टाइम पे नहीं था या हमारे पेरेंट्स के टाइम पे नहीं था, आजकल भी है. इतनी अवेयरनेस, इतनी नॉलेज, इतनी एजुकेशन होने के बावजूद. द रीसेंट एग्जांपल बीइंग द मूवी मिसेस मूवी मतलब देखी है, और उसके जो भी अगर मैं बोलूं तो एक्चुअली में 95% हाउसवाइफ्स के साथ यही होता है. दे आर नॉट गिवन द क्रेडिट फॉर एनीथिंग इन लाइफ. आयुषी, आई वांट यू टू टेल द फॉलोअर्स एंड द ऑडियंस कि एक लड़की है, वी फीमेल्स ना, वी आर वेरी इमोशनली ड्रिवन. हम लोग ना प्यार से चलने वाले लोगों में से है कि प्यार मिल गया तो हम लोग जिंदगी भी अपनी पूरी निकाल के दे देंगे. सो वी आर वेरी इमोशनली ड्रिवन एंड वी आर बिफूल्ड ऑल्सो. इमोशंस के नाम पे हम लोग मैनिपुलेट भी होते हैं, और हम मैनिपुलेट होने देते हैं. समझ भी आ रहा होता है, बट वी आर सो मच मैडली इन लव विद द पर्सन कि हम कहते हैं यार कोई बात नहीं, हमारे प्यार से हम इसको सुधार देंगे. सो यहाँ पर मैं देखती हूँ बाद में जब मेरे पास क्लाइंट्स आती हैं एंड दे आर इन दिस एज ग्रुप ऑफ 25 to 30 years एंड रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज में, जब मैं देखती हूँ कि उन्होंने अपने आप को इतना डाउनग्रेड किया होता है. दे हैव नॉट सेट द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर देमसेल्व्स. व्हाट यू सेट फॉर योरसेल्फ और व्हाट आई हैव सेट फॉर माई सेल्फ, नहीं, एक लड़की ने स्टैंडर्ड अपने लिए नहीं सेट किया होता है. यहाँ पर आप क्या एडवाइस दोगे? बिकॉज द ऑडियंस दैट वी आर केटरिंग टू इज योर एज ग्रुप ओनली, राइट? उनको आप क्या एडवाइस दोगे कि कहाँ पर उनको एक बेंचमार्क सेट करना चाहिए? क्या थोड़े से डूज एंड डोंट्स तो अपने लिए रखने चाहिए?
सबसे पहले तो यू नीड टू, first step is to figure out what my values are, what I'm okay with, what I'm not okay with at all. Simple, just like that. Understanding your values, that is the ground. Then उसके बाद you have to realize, क्योंकि हमारी सोसाइटी थोड़ी सी skewed है, मतलब हमारी सोसाइटी ऐसी है कि आप अपने वैल्यूज के लिए, चाहे अपने माँ बाप के सामने, अपने पार्टनर के माँ बाप के सामने, अपने पार्टनर के सामने, अपने फ्रेंड्स के सामने, कहीं में भी अपने वैल्यूज के लिए जब आप खड़ा होना चालू कर दोगे ना,
You don't get the support.
You will get a lot of resistance. You will be named rude. or unkind or not understanding or this and that just because you're asking for your right. क्योंकि society used to ही नहीं है for women asking for what they want. But the thing is, we have to be the change makers.
Yes.
जब तक हम मांगेंगे नहीं, we won't inspire the women around us, like our daughters, nieces, all the younger
yeah.
women looking up to us. I mean, I would love it if my younger cousin or niece looks up to me and says, "Oh, look at her. She does what she wants. I would like to grow up and do
Grow
that."
up like that.
Right? Even though I get so much resistance. So it's not going to be an easy path, but do it anyway. Because the more authentic you are to your values, the happier you will live and longer you will live.
So let's talk about people pleasing. People pleasing is a very important aspect in particularly in love or a marriage or a relationship. बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने देखा लोगों को people pleasing करते हुए अपने पार्टनर को भी प्लीज करने के लिए whether they want to do it from the heart or not. अच्छा उसको अच्छा लगता है तो कर देते हैं. कभी कभी तो अच्छा होता है कि ठीक है यार उसको ये अच्छा लगता है, but when it becomes a habit, the other person, the one who's become the people pleaser, starts feeling suffocated. और वो फिर suffocation में expression भी नहीं हो पाता है कि मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है. And the other person is so used to this people pleasing now कि उसको कुछ odd ही नहीं लग रहा कि मेरे लिए कुछ हो रहा है. वहाँ पर ना फंस जाते हैं, be it the male or the female, फंस जाते हैं. तो यहाँ पर आप लोगों का क्या ओपिनियन है? यजन आप बताओ इसमें एक monk point of view.
Monk point of view में तो है ही नहीं है. देखो aspect, you do it if your heart allows you to do it. At times maybe you are, when we are talking about a relationship per se, at times let's say I have a different way of operating in life, but now I am married to someone who, it's not about if, it always happens, you are married to someone who has a different way of operating in life, and then you do things for their happiness or joy or their benefit which you were not doing earlier. So I don't think so it's always people pleasing. As you said, maybe initially you want to do it, but then if it is suffocating, then you just need to communicate before it becomes a habit, or if it starts becoming a resistance that earlier you were doing, now you are not
doing.
So maybe it's good to be vocal about it. Let's say she likes flowers, but I never had a habit of buying flowers. For me it was like, अरे क्यों खरीदने, तो comes with a shelf life, right? Now I'm learning how it is important aspect. At times I still have to fight my own patterns, because at times I'll get it, right? I'll buy flowers for her maybe once in a week, once in a month.
डायलॉग आ गया, मैं बड़ी फिल्मी सी इंसान हूँ. डायलॉग आ गया विराट कोहली का, जब से मेरी लाइफ में लेडी लक आए है मुझे सब कुछ चेंज हो रहा है मेरी लाइफ के अंदर. This is how it's like.
होता है, but it has still not become a part of my DNA yet. At times she is feeling, oh, it's been a while, you can see the vase is empty and you did not get flowers. Maybe I'm thinking about it, but the action part is not coming automatically. At times it is, right? If I'm meeting her after a while, it has formed a habit that I'll go with flowers. लेकिन मेरे को दिख रहा है कि हाँ यार, एक हफ्ते से घर में भी flowers नहीं आया fresh. अब एक दो बार thought आया, action नहीं आया, जैसा मेरे को feel हो रहा है.
So thank you for the lovely flowers that you got for me, Ayushi.
So it takes time to become a part of the DNA. And with partners, I guess, with family, with close-knitted friends, I don't think so it's people pleasing. We do it for love. We do it for our people, right? हम बहुत कुछ करते हैं जो हम अपने डिस्कम्फर्ट में आके लोगों के लिए करते हैं, और करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है नहीं करते. मेरे को यही, I'll reiterate the same thing. Nowadays, since thanks to social media or so many other things that are running around us, we have found so many tags.
Yes.
To keep putting tags. है ना, हमारे अगर आप we go to your parents' generation, it was only people pleasing, क्योंकि आपको अपना तो पता ही नहीं था ना क्या है क्या नहीं है. आपको जहाँ से खुशी मिल रहा है वो कर रहे हो, but no one was tagging it people pleasing. Hence it was not even acting as a burden. Today we know, oh, we can tag that person or your act as a people pleasing, and then it becomes a burden. आपका जब तक दिल कर रहा है आप करो, आपका नहीं कर रहा आप मत करो. मतलब सिंपल सी बात है इसमें. सब
बात वही आ गई ना आपने जो बोली कि हम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स ही कॉम्प्लिकेट करते हैं चीजों को. इतनी जरूरत है नहीं हर चीज को टैग करने की.
नहीं है जरूरत. मतलब आपका जब तक मन करेगा डू दैट ना. मतलब
These are the perils of social media.
I am not doubting that. No, that is true. That is true.
Because there's so much of overload of information on social media, and उसी को लोगों ने ना benchmark बना लिया हुआ है. इसके हिसाब से चलना है. When you spoke about the red flags, when I asked you that question, you were so एप्ट इन दिस कि यार ये मतलब ये तो टर्मिनोलॉजी अब आई है। मैंने भी आपको ये बोला था कि ये नई टर्मिनोलॉजी है जो यूथ में चल रही है। So my only aim is because I come from a different generation. You guys are of this generation, and my followers and the people who are watching this are your generation. So that's why your love story is very important for me because when clients come to me and after 4-5 relationships, they don't want to fall in love again. They've stopped believing in love, and love is the only energy in the universe. एक बच्चा जब मदर कंसीव करती है, वो पहले दिन से वो जो प्यार है मदर का और बच्चे का जो बिल्ड होता है, दैट इज़ यूनिवर्सल फोर्स, दैट इज़ द ओनली एनर्जी इन द वर्ल्ड। एंड बाकी तो सब कुछ हम एंगर, हर्ट, पेन ये तो बड़े होते हैं तो हमें पता लगता है अच्छा ये चीज़ें भी हैं दुनिया के अंदर। बट द फर्स्ट इमोशन दैट एनी चाइल्ड फील्स और द मदर फील्स लाइक द शुरुआत ही लव के साथ है और एंड भी हम लव के ऊपर करते हैं जाकर लाइफ के अंदर। बाकी सब तो बीच में हमारा प्लस एंड माइनस चलता है। सो व्हेन यंगस्टर्स कम टू मी एंड दे से दैट वी डोंट बिलीव इन लव, वी हैव स्टॉप्ड बिलीविंग इन लव या हमें शादी करनी है, डर लग रहा है। सो व्हेन आई वर्क ऑन द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, ऑब्वियसली एपिसोड्स कम आउट एंड देन वी वर्क थ्रू प्रोसेसेस एंड ऑल। बट सबसे बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट बात आप लोगों को यहाँ बुलाने की बिकॉज़ Ayushi, you're a different personality than Yajin. And Yajin, you're completely different. You're two opposite people and then you're coming together. वो कहते हैं ना कि एक ईस्ट में और एक वेस्ट में रह रहा है वो वाला हाल है एंड देन यू बोथ कमिंग टुगेदर एंड यू आर लाइक यू पीपल मेट फॉर वर्क। उससे पहले आप लोग जानते नहीं थे। सो आई फील दैट Ronit became the medium to bring you two people together. That was his soul's role to play in your life, right? सो जब 2 डिफरेंट लोग जिनको मैं इतने अच्छे से जानती हूँ और उस लव स्टोरी को मैंने देखा है एंड यू पीपल आर सरप्राइज्ड व्हेन आई टोल्ड यू। आपको कैसे पता? मैंने कहा ज़िंदगी का एक्सपीरियंस है भैया, आँखें देख के हम समझ जाते हैं। So my only purpose on this episode today is कि I just want people to start falling in love again. ठीक है, हो सकता है चीटिंग मिले, हो सकता है हार्ट ब्रेक हो सकता है आंसू मिले, but you will get to know what you want and what you don't want. It's going to be a lesson. This is how we learn in life, but that doesn't mean that we shut down. अभी नया-नया बहुत ही ज़्यादा अभी ट्रेंड जो चल रहा है, शादियाँ 4-5 साल भी नहीं टिक रही हैं। Because none of them is ready to come to a common point. एक कॉमन पॉइंट के ऊपर कोई भी नहीं आना चाह रहा। क्यों हमारी सोसाइटी में ऐसे यंगस्टर्स के साथ हो रहा है दैट दे डोंट वांट टू कम टू अ कॉमन ग्राउंड एंड लाइक यहाँ पर हम ओके यहाँ से हम ज़िंदगी पूरी आगे बिता सकते हैं। व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न?
जैसा आपने बोला ना कि all the questions you're asking, you'll get completely different answers
आई
from.
वांट
He's
कंप्लीटली
like,
डिफरेंट आंसर्स, आई एम लविंग बिकॉज़ मेरी नॉलेज एनहांसमेंट हो रही है बहुत ज़्यादा। इट्स गोइंग टू हेल्प मी।
because we call him the diplomat, okay? He
ओके।
will not give you, polarized answer. And I am a polar person. I would
आई
go
नो
for
यू आर
the,
लाइक कॉलिंग अ स्पेड।
yeah,
दिस इज़ इट।
this is it.
टेक इट और लीव इट।
So I cannot be diplomatic to save my life. Oh my God. But ये जो question है ये बहुत loaded है because it's so nuanced. If you look at एक side, there's one side of it कि शादियां 4-5 साल में खत्म हो रही हैं, बहुत अच्छी बात है क्योंकि लोग स्टक नहीं रह रहे
Stuck.
वहां पे जो उनको सर्व नहीं कर रहा। ए राइट, क्योंकि बहुत लोग
एग्री,
मल्टीपल
कंप्लीटली एग्री।
रीजंस की वजह से शादी कर लेते हैं। ए या फिर अपने पेरेंट्स के प्रेशर में आके,
हुँ,
पीयर प्रेशर में आके कि मेरे सारे दोस्तों की शादी हो गई तो पहला जो बंदा मिला उससे कर ली,
हुँ।
राइट। सेकंड, अपने बचपन के लव के पैटर्न्स पे ऐसे इंसान से कर ली जो उनके लिए अनहेल्दी है और फिर 4-5 साल वो झेलने के बाद उन्हें रियलाइज हुआ अब नहीं होगा और राइट, वो जो हम बात कर रहे थे टॉक्सिक एंड रेड
हुँ,
फ्लैग,
हुँ, हुँ।
तो वहां पे तो बहुत अच्छी बात है कि दे आर गेटिंग
आई एग्री बिकॉज़ पूरी लाइफ सफ़र करने से बेटर है इसको यहीं पे काट दो
एग्जैक्टली राइट। सो वी
एंड
हैव
गिव योरसेल्फ अनदर चांस इन लाइफ।
absolutely, so as compared to my parents generation, more empowerment, which is lovely. Like I know people who are out of marriages, like I have friends who got out of their marriages and it was for their good, otherwise they would have like crashed and burnt
हुँ,
in
हुँ।
that. On the other side is people who had a lot of love. Like I also know clients who had a lot of love between them, a lot of everything was good and perfect, and yet it didn't last. So it happens because of multiple reasons. A, if you let other people become a part of your relationship. One is that, right? So it could be either of your parents. If they start becoming more a part of your
I've seen
relationship.
lot of sibling interference.
Yeah, sibling, parents, anybody interfering in your relationship or speaking for your relationship, not good, right? Or again, tolerance levels coming down, options being available with the dating apps and all of that. People are like, you know what, nahi ho raha, I'll find someone else. That way. So it is the easy way out. It takes, it's so much hard work to stay in a relationship, and I get it. Like my go-to mechanism is to eject. I was telling you the other day,
Yeah,
my go-to mechanism is to run, to escape, right? So I know it takes so much hard work. Every time we have a conflict, I have to really fight that instinct ki no boss, yahi reh ke solve karna hai. So yeah, it has both sides.
Both sides.
Yeah.
I love that part that you spoke first, that it's very good. Even I appreciate ki rather than being in an unhappy relationship or an unhappy marriage, eject and like find yourself first, and then only you'll be able to find someone else. And अगर नहीं भी मिलता है, wait for that love. Wait. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको रीबाउंड में जाना है या आपको अपने आप को इमोशनली नम करना है. सो व्हेन आई यूज दिस वर्ड इमोशनली नम, इमोशनल नमनेस हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं लाइफ के अंदर बिकॉज वी वांट टू रन अवे फ्रॉम आवर ओन सेल्फ. हम लोग कोचेज हैं, हमें पता है वी गॉन थ्रू द प्रोसेसेस एंड वी व्हेनेवर वी वर्क विद द क्लाइंट, हमारी खुद की भी बहुत ज़्यादा नॉलेज एनहांस होती है बिकॉज कई बार कस्टमाइज करना पड़ता है हम लोगों को, चीज़ें हमें और भी सीखनी पड़ती हैं, कई बार कॉम्प्लिकेटेड केसेस आ जाते हैं. सो एक कॉमन मैन में जो इमोशनल नमनेस है, विच कम्स टू रेकलेस सेक्स और रेकलेस ड्रिंकिंग और यू नो बिंजिंग हेयर एंड देयर, वो सब कुछ जो अपने इमोशंस को ही नम कर देते हैं. बिकॉज इमोशंस इज योर सब्जेक्ट हियर जन. आप इस जनरेशन को क्या बोलोगे कि अपने आप से बात करने के लिए वो क्या करें या अपने आप को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए वो क्या करें? शुड दे टेक द हेल्प ऑफ अ कोच और शुड दे डू सम कोर्सेज़ और शुड दे सिट डाउन विद देमसेल्फ? बिकॉज़ खुद के ऊपर काम करने में बहुत मेहनत लगती है. बहुत सारा मक निकलता है अंदर से यार खुद, और बहुत मतलब ये एक्सेप्ट करने के चाहे हमारे अंदर ये गंदगी भरी हुई थी, अपने आप को क्लीन आउट करने में बहुत मेहनत लगती है, गट्स चाहिए होते हैं. सो व्हाट डू यू से अबाउट इट?
वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना, राइट? उसके बिना तो नहीं मिलेगा, राइट? तो मेरे को लगता है जो आपने बोला यही सब है प्रोसेस कि इट इज अ डिफिकल्ट पाथ. इट ब्रिंग्स आउट अ लॉट फ्रॉम विद इन ourselves, and hence it is important, right? I still remember the day I was appearing for my postgraduate. During post-graduation, there were like companies were supposed to come, and then we were preparing for this world-class question, tell me about your strengths and weaknesses. And then I was sitting and prepping it with myself, with bunch of friends, and हमने गूगल किया, अच्छा ये अच्छा लग रहा है, ये बोल देंगे अच्छा लग रहा है. मैंने कहा यार ये सुन के तो ठीक लग रहा है, लेकिन इस पे सेकंड लेवल क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया किसी ने तो क्या बोलेंगे, क्योंकि अपना तो है नहीं. And that hit me hard. That stayed with me. Even after I got job and everything, I still kept pondering on it because it's like जो मेरे strength I could not feel very conviction. कि यार ये क्या strength? ये तो सब में है भाई, ये मेरे में क्या अलग है? So I was feeling, for the first time I was like reflecting within myself. Otherwise I was
How
just
old were
living.
you when you reflected on your
I was
business for the
young.
first time?
Let's not use the word old.
How young were you? I'm
I
so
have been
sorry.
Since forever I have been young. I'm not good with numbers. Since few years I've been telling myself I was 22.
Short-term memory loss.
क्या होगी वो एज?
24, 23, 24.
21.
ये टिपिकल हस्बैंड वाला काम किया, बीवी से पूछने वाला.
I'm married now.
Married.
See? So yeah, around that age, 23, 24, I guess. And that was the first time I was like, not for the first time, I'll be honest. Before that, also during our college days, we would sit with a group of friends and we'll be like, +2, -2 खेलते थे हम. रात को हम दीवार टाप के जाते थे घर से हम ढाबे पे, और ओ ये सबको पता चल जाएगा अब. और
तो ये ओपन में आ गया.
अब तो मेरी शादी हो गई, अब कुछ नहीं कहेंगे लोग.
Ultimate goal.
Ultimate goal.
Ultimate goal. I am arrived in life. So we would sit with bunch of friends, and from time to time we would play this game +2, -2. We'll be like 4-5 friends. मैं आपके बारे में +2, -2 बताऊंगा, फिर इसके बारे में, फिर इसके बारे में. तो बहुत कुछ मिलता था वहां से. अच्छा ऐसा हो रहा है, मतलब मेरे को तो लग रहा है मैं तो बढ़िया जी रहा हूँ, बट देन you get to know कि यार अच्छा मैं ये भी कर सकता था. But that stayed back. So during this, coming back to this MBA time, and I started reflecting. And then when I was thinking about my negative, it was so difficult to accept that this is my weakness or my areas of improvement. It was so difficult. Hence, you are saying that comes a lot of mug because we don't want to accept ourselves. it's very easy to put fingers at someone, point fingers and blame, because it is so easy. And a lot of times we get into a relationship or marriage just to find someone that to whom we can blame. It has become
I feel
easy.
it's for blaming also, and it's for your own validation also, because you
Validation,
don't
yeah.
feel good about yourself and you want someone else to constantly say that thing about you.
And it will never sustain, right? Because if you have not put in the work
सेल्फ
in
वर्थ ही
yourself,
नहीं है तो फिर कैसे
it's like self work is like the foundation. अगर आपको एक इमारत खड़ी करनी है तो पहले आपको उसका बेस स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ेगा. एंड विदाउट सेल्फ वर्क आप कोई भी ले आओ, ऐसा नहीं है आप वो ग्रीन फ्लैग छोड़ो, आप ग्रीन फॉरेस्ट ला के दे दो,
ब्रोकली पूरी ले आओ.
हाँ, तो वो बह जाएगा, क्योंकि you don't deserve someone because you have not put in the work. And it's not about put in the work once. It's a journey. Getting married is like taking a decision. Staying in marriage is discipline and consistency.
And
It's
hard
like,
work.
absolutely.
And hard.
It's like, I give it the example, it's like buying a gym subscription. आपने 1 साल का पे कर दिया, that does not mean आपके abs आ जाएंगे. You have to go there every day, put in
Show
the
up.
work, sweat it out, feel the pain. It's not easy, right? Pain and pleasure comes along. So is marriage, so is any relationship,
Any relationship.
so is job, so is work, so is business. मतलब what comes easy? मतलब मैं तो I tell it to people at times, in order to poop as well you have to put in effort.
Of course.
Right?
Finally, we are.
इससे बड़ा एग्जाम्पल क्या
I
हो?
mean, Ronit and
Ronit would be
Yajna are
proud.
always like.
Ronit, this is for you, bro.
So no, this is for the first time it has happened. I'm so proud of it.
But it
Happy
takes
World Within
effort.
show में पहली बार हम इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
But it takes effort. And now in life we don't want to put in effort. हमें instant gratification चाहिए हर चीज में. हर चीज में हमें ऐसे मिल जाए, मतलब with the snap of fingers हमें मिल जाए, वो मेरी बात समझ जाए.
Instant
मेरे को ना बोलना
noodles.
पड़े.
Life has
Blinkit
become
से
instant
मंगा
noodles.
लो.
ब्लिंकिट से मंगवा लो. अरे ऐसा नहीं है. अगर आपने काम नहीं किया तो आपको नहीं मिलेगा. अगर आपको अपने बारे में नहीं पता ना, again as I was telling you earlier, we go with a checklist what to find in someone else. Do we have a checklist prepared कि मेरे को अपने में क्या है? Right? I was talking to a client yesterday and I was like, this is the same thing. मैं किसी को पहले preaching क्यों दूं? पहले मैं अपने, अगर मैं
ऊपर
बुद्धा
काम
नहीं बना हूं ना, तो मेरे को पता है कि हाँ मेरे में 10 अच्छी चीजें हैं, लेकिन 10 और है जहां मैं improve कर सकता हूँ. मैं इन 10 की वजह से मैं तुम्हें right or wrong prove कर रहा हूँ कि तुम्हारी ये हैबिट सही नहीं है, क्योंकि ये मैं नहीं कर रहा. If I am not drinking and if you are drinking, so I can put a finger at you, भाई ये तो बहुत गलत है. अरे तुम, अच्छी बात है तुम नहीं कर रहे, लेकिन क्या बाकी जो चीजें तुम कर रहे हो क्या वो सही है? तो पहले अपने अंदर झांको, फिर दूसरे पे डालो. और मेरे को लगता है जितना हम अपने अंदर काम करते रहेंगे ना, आपका रिलेशनशिप अपने साथ और दूसरे के साथ
Yes.
बहुत स्मूथ रहेगा, because you are much more aware. So what today's generation needs to do is invest in yourself before finding flaws into someone else. It's very important. It's for your own benefit, not for today, forever. This is what I feel.
I absolutely agree to it because जितना हम अपने ऊपर काम करते हैं उतना ज्यादा you clear out the weeds.
Yeah.
जब आप weeds clear out करते हो तभी तो इतना प्यारा सा गुलाब का फूल खिलता है आपका. अदरवाइज नीचे जब तक हम उसको pruning नहीं करेंगे तो वो you can't become the best version of yourself. And it's a journey.
It's a journey.
It's a journey. It's not that आपने आज काम कर लिया, अच्छा जी हम बेस्ट हो गए हैं.
नहीं, नहीं, नहीं.
नहीं भैया, ये तो डस्टिंग रोज करनी पड़ेगी अपने ऊपर से.
Totally. हम वो करते ही हैं.
हम
ना.
करते हैं, हम
हाँ.
करते हैं.
हम रोज
And-
नहाते हैं, हम रोज ब्रश करते हैं, हम सब कुछ करते हैं. हम अपने ऊपर क्यों नहीं काम करते?
Yeah, जैसे I have a very strong morning routine of meditation for the last 20 years. And I know the immense benefits it gives me. Now it has become as important for me as breathing. 10 मिनट करूंगी, बेशक मैं चैंटिंग कर रही हूँ या मैं सुन रही हूँ या मैं साइलेंस में बैठी हूँ, बट मुझे वो दिन के 10 से 15 मिनट चाहिए और मुझे पता है कि इस 10-15 मिनट से मुझे लाइफ में कितना बेनिफिट हुआ है. मेरे अंदर से मक क्लियरिंग मैंने कितनी करी है. आई हैव लाइक spoken to myself and cleared so much. And I was carrying so much of hurt. I was carrying so much of, pain. I was carrying so much of disappointment. I was carrying so much of guilt. पता नहीं गिल्ट किस चीज का, ये उस टाइम में मेरे को एक्शन लेना चाहिए था, ये तब नहीं हुआ. And when I started clearing myself, I've seen my work flourish, I've seen my health flourish, I've seen my relationships flourish, I'm getting so much love for the work that I'm doing. So बात तो यही है भैया, अपने ऊपर काम करना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज तो फिर सच्चा प्यार नहीं मिलेगा लाइफ के अंदर. आई एम नॉट थ्रेटनिंग यू, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू टू फाइंड ट्रू लव इन लाइफ,
मिल
you
जाएगा,
have to
लेकिन
fall in
sustain
love with
नहीं होगा.
yourself.
मिल
I would
जाएगा,
say it's a
sustain
Sustain
नहीं
नहीं होगा. So you have to fall in love with yourself madly, passionately, insanely. This is what I always say. तो अब मेरे को आप ये बताओ यजन, because she's a Bombay girl and you're a Faridabad guy. सो हमारी बॉम्बे से मैडम ने आकर एडजस्ट किया हुआ था, ब्यूटीफुली एडजस्ट किया हुआ है। आपको लगता है इज शी फेसिंग सम डिफिकल्टी एट
हाँ, एब्सोल्युटली आपका सेंटेंस ही गलत है कि ब्यूटीफुली एडजस्ट किया हुआ है। मतलब we both are in that phase. It's even I was not in a habit of staying home for long, right? But for her, it is a whole different shift of identity and world. Because the way Bombay offers you freedom,
वो फरीदाबाद में नहीं है.
nahi hai. The way Bombay
We spoke
offers you
about it.
safety and security, it is not here. And being a guy, though I was either if I was staying here or not, it is very difficult for me to actually understand what she's facing right now. I'm trying to be empathetic, but still not there yet 100% because it's a whole shift for me. Because first, I am a guy. I don't understand about the safety and security the woman feels. Second, I have been born and brought up in this city, so it's like
It's very
familiarity is there, top notch for me. But for me, but for her, it is not the same. So adjustments take time, and as a partner, the best thing I can do is I can only support her.
unconditional support.
Unconditional. Again, I am not Buddha yet, so I also face challenges at times. Maybe in time, trying to understand कि अरे इसमें इतना मुश्किल क्या है? Maybe she needs it and I am not there because again, for me the familiarity is different and for her it is different. But we both are trying. ऐसा नहीं है कि we are not trying. I guess it is the only factor apart from the support that I can do is at times, for the first time, maybe I'm saying it is time that plays a important role. Otherwise, I always thought it is our actions and our own things that we do, things that is in our control, our efforts. But here, along with the efforts, I guess time will help us be more adaptive to the environment. She'll be more in a better phase to understand about the nuances of the city, of the people, about things, about places that she want to go and sit. And maybe once it happens, the adjustment will become smoother. So again, it's a journey, I guess. But she's doing great. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं है.
हमारी लड़की है.
अब मेरी भी है. So yeah, that is there. You wanna contribute to it? I'm sure you will have again a different perspective.
नहीं, I think that is it. It's taking time. It is a genuine struggle.
Bombay is like a very independent city.
You cannot compare
You cannot
Bombay with
compare.
any other city.
And फरीदाबाद में हम लोग रात को 10 बजे मुझे भी निकलना हो तो मैं 10 बार सोचती हूँ कि निकलूं कि ना
10
निकलूं.
बजे. I mean, I'm not saying that, we're not putting down a city. We're just saying कि
With the culture.
हाँ, स्पेशली बॉम्बे तो आप किसी और जगह से कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते. Probably Bombay and Goa are the only places in the whole country which feel unconditionally safe, right, as compared to any other place in our country. So वो है, वो कल्चर है, वो कॉस्मोपॉलिटन है, वहाँ रहे हैं, वहाँ पे
पले बड़े हैं.
हाँ, बहुत ही डिफरेंट रहा है, वहाँ पे स्कूलिंग की है, कॉलेज की है. तो कहीं भी और जाना, इवन दो आई हैव स्टेड इन एनसीआर पहले भी, बट बहुत डिफरेंट होता है. मतलब होता है, अब है, स्ट्रगल तो है. इट्स अ वेरी सेंसिटिव टॉपिक फॉर मी. आई एम स्टिल स्ट्रगलिंग विद इट. लेट्स सी हाउ लॉन्ग इट टेक्स.
You're doing fantastic, and I know you'll pass with flying colors.
थैंक यू.
Or we'll just fly somewhere where there are more colors.
More colors. वो आप लोग वैसे ही fly करने वाले हो थोड़े दिन में.
And that keeps us sane, that we keep traveling.
You keep traveling. So you both are business partners also. You're working together also. And you both are different personalities and you both are different, your subjects. Working together as business partners before marriage is something different. After marriage is something different. क्या फर्क आया, क्या difference है, and how you look at it now?
काफी difference. I would say, let's say until we got engaged, you would know, right? Again, it's a very woman thing. Okay, the minute you get engaged and another family, another whole life gets attached to you, I wouldn't say work takes a backseat, but work becomes not your number one priority anymore.
Particularly for females.
I don't want to be like, I don't want to cry
I've seen it
about it कि oh, women can't work and all that. There are so many women doing such great things.
But वो थोड़ा सा taken for granted नहीं हो जाता है कि like ठीक है यार, अभी अगर जरूरत है, ये काम बाद में हो जाएगा. First she needs to be here, present here.
हाँ, मतलब मेरे लिए तो स्ट्रगल रहा है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. मतलब आई हैव बीन अ वेरी वेरी वर्कaholic पर्सन until I got engaged. क्योंकि उसके बाद so many Pandora's boxes got opened. I'm just juggling all the time.
एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी हो जाती हैं ना.
मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि I was पहले तो wedding planning, all of that, उसमें भी wedding planning में भी it's not just my family I'm listening to, my khandan I'm listening to both.
Both
I'm
of
kind of in the middle of both. There's a lot of communication. And then wedding happens and the first 2-3 months are all about, oh, new couple, right? So I actually got exhausted. I didn't have the bandwidth to work really hard lately, and that shows up in our business partnership also. Whereas because he has an unconditional support now in the form of me. I don't want to speak for you, but what I notice is
Look at his smile.
he has become so much more disciplined with work. Like my chart went like this with workaholicness, and his went like this because as compared to when we first started working together, he's become so much more disciplined with work, so much better with work. And I'm going the
देखा
opposite
लेडी
side.
लक का मैजिक.
I wouldn't say it's on me, but it's different, right? Like I have
I feel वो you know all men, I feel they are small babies. They always need that female support in their life, whether they agree to it or they don't agree to it. Be it in the form of mothers,
mom,
sisters,
sister, wife.
wives, daughters. They always need that female push and that support. Okay, you can do it. हो जाएगा. So वो क्या होता है कि आप admit करो ना करो, but when that that support is there in front of you, automatically I feel Yajan has gone into this charged up place कि मेरे को ये करना ही करना.
Full throttle.
Full throttle.
तो ये सवाल
ये
है
बात
इसलिए
तो
मेरे को एक्नॉलेज
ये
करना क्या करना है मुझे.
ये बात तो एग्री करोगे आप कि every male always needs a female figure in his life to give that push, a strong support system.
It can be in any form, I guess.
In any form, I said mother,
Right, till the
daughter,
time
sister,
we
best friend, anyone.
Yeah, I guess as we know that men and women, we are wired differently, right? So the balance needs to be there. It's like the yin and yang,
That it was in my mouth.
right? तो हमें वो balance हमें life में throughout चाहिए. वो अलग-अलग forms और shape में आ सकता है, right? While you are growing up, maybe it is in the form of your mother that you are seeking something from a guy's perspective. Maybe your siblings, your sisters are helping you with something. Maybe your female friends are pouring into you with something different. And maybe once you are in a relationship, then your partner plays that role. But that yin and yang has to be there so that the balance.
What we talk about the masculine and the feminine energy.
Yes. At times you might have a dominant hand in something else. The other person brings a very new perspective because we are operating differently. So for me, it is like, I say it very proudly and honestly, every day I am becoming a better partner and a better human being because of the profession that she is into a relationship coaching. It's a whole new world for me, right? It's like, oh, I'm reading this book for the first time, and she would always complain going to the 5th chapter, oh तुमने ये पढ़ा ही नहीं कभी. And हाँ मैंने शायद, she was like, तो पहले क्या किया तुमने?
Visualize him doing this. ये कहाँ फंस गया मैं?
Being very, very honest, I have asked him so many times, तो पिछली relationship में क्या कर रहे थे? मतलब what were you talking about?
पहाड़ों पे जाने की तैयारी.
Or maybe it has been completely erased from my system कि मैंने वो बुक कभी पढ़ी ही नहीं कि ये पूछे तुम चैप्टर 5 पे आई कैसे गए.
Data deleted.
हाँ, maybe it has happened, or maybe I was in a wrong school or education system.
नहीं ये दुनिया को नए नजरिए से देख रहा है. Yajan is looking at the world from a different new perspective, right?
So it is like, at times it is very fun for me.
And
Exciting.
also, sometimes it must be overwhelming. I'm sorry.
Must be.
It is.
Look at his expression.
It is.
एकदम से आप 5-year-old को बोलो 10th का बोर्ड एग्जाम दे दे.
कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है, कभी लगता है वो it is fun, वो ये भी होता है, right? So, and it's not entirely her mistake because she has been teaching it since forever. So she comes from the space that ये तो पता ही होगा, मतलब ये तो given ही है.
Common sense है ये तो.
Common sense है, and I'm like, नहीं ये मेरे लिए ये वाली भी नहीं है.
मैं तो पहाड़ों पे था जब ये चैप्टर आया.
मैं ये नहीं बोल पा रहा हूँ अब. मतलब ये 2-3 बार काम
हमारे
किया.
बोर्ड्स के बारी कोविड आ गया था.
हाँ मेरे कोविड में वो रह गई थी स्कूल में वो वाली टाइम, फिर मेरे को जाने नहीं दिया. So it's like that. So again, it is like at times we are tested with our patience. Not at times, most of the times, it's just the patience that is being tested. because we are prompted to behave or react in a certain manner कि यार ये तो बहुत ही obvious है. Maybe for you it is obvious. For me also it's like यार ये तो करना ही बनता है. Again, it's the reaction that comes at times which makes it bigger, rather than it's not the problem, right? It can be sorted out with time and patience, but the reactions comes because it's like यार ये तो मतलब इसमें क्या मुश्किल था समझने में. But when you sit with it and you हाँ यार ये तो doable था यार, उसने फूल ही तो मांगे थे. ऐसा सोचा जाए ना, फूल ही तो मांगे थे, इसमें क्या मुश्किल क्या है. But for me it's like maybe I have never done it, so it is like it is taking time for me to process कि हाँ ये तो किया जा सकता है, right? So it's just that a little understanding, little.
On a lighter note, हफ्ते में कितनी बार फूल लाना शुरू कर दिया जहाँ बिल्कुल ही नहीं लाते थे आप?
इस हफ्ते
Like
तो
now
नहीं लाया
it's become an us thing. Like when we are staying together and I'm not traveling separately, he gets me when I'm coming from somewhere to him back.
Wow.
Then
Wow.
he picked me up from the airport last week with
Yajan?
flowers in hand.
Learning.
Yajan?
Guys, it takes
The
time and
lover boy
effort.
Yajan?
So yeah. So again, it's a work in progress. You adapt yourself to the other person, and it becomes easy when there's love, exchange of love, there's good communication between the two of you. It becomes easy and natural, right? But again, it takes time. Why we are able to see a lot of differences or frustration building up into fights and then separation is because we'd want everything now.
No.
And we are not being very patient about it. Ki, okay, let me just give them more time. Again, coming back to the same thing, are you working on yourself? Are you also being too agitated कि मेरे को ये अभी नहीं मिल रहा? आप दूसरे को मौका देने से पहले अपने आप को मौका दो कि ठीक है यार, वो भी समझ ही रहा है. मेरे लिए भी ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती है which are very new to me.
Very new to you.
Right? I get it. When we talk about it,
I think for the guys, हम लोग जब बचपन से हम लोग फीमेल्स को कंडीशनड होती ही हैं कि शादी होनी है एक दिन और मम्मा पापा का घर छोड़ के जाना है.
I was about to come to that.
For the guys, it becomes very difficult कि यार मतलब you're sharing your room, your space with someone. There's another human being, there's another energy. यहाँ पर तो मैं पसर के सोता था, अब ये कि मेरे को बैठ के एक साइड पे सोना पड़ता है. So I think for the guys, it's more difficult to adjust. And you know what happens?
No one talks about it.
No one talks about it.
It's always like
मैं बात
the
कर रही हूँ.
female
I'm
is.
talking about it.
Thank you so much. At times I feel it always comes like that कि oh I have left everything, and for me it's like oh a lot has changed for you. For me, within the same environment, a lot has changed for me.
Because we are conditioned right from the childhood because we know कि एक point के ऊपर हमें शादी करके घर छोड़ के जाना है. Somewhere we are prepared for it. हाँ, तो boys में क्या होता है कि a new person is coming, a new person is entering your life, आपका room, आपका घर, सब कुछ, and then you are given the responsibility कि अब ये तेरी responsibility है, like it's your job, and expectations भी होती हैं girls की obviously कि हम शादी करके घर छोड़ के आए हैं, इस इंसान के लिए छोड़कर आए हैं, तो ये हमारे को look after करे, हमारे को प्यार करे, हमारी भाषा में हमें प्यार करे, उसकी भाषा में नहीं प्यार चाहिए, अपनी भाषा में प्यार चाहिए. The love language that we talk about, so important. सो नहीं, आई कंप्लीटली सिंपैथाइज विद ऑल द गाइस कि उनको इतना ज़्यादा एट टाइम्स वो सैंडविच भी बनते हैं पूरी फैमिली बिकॉज़ ये आ जाता है अच्छा जी, तो ये बीवी के पीछे-पीछे बीवी का कहना मान रहा है, ऑल दोज़ थिंग्स कम आई मीन पर्टिकुलरली इन पंजाबी फैमिलीज़ इट कम्स बिकॉज़ आई वाज़ टॉकिंग टू सिद्धांत आई थिंक 1.5-2 साल पहले की बात है. मैं सिद्धांत यार शादी कर, तो मैं कैसे अपना रूम किसी के साथ शेयर कर लूँ? मैं कहा बट वो तो करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज़ व्हाई आई रिमेंबर्ड कि सिद्धांत ने मुझे ये सेम बात बोली थी कि लाइक समवन कमिंग एंड शेयरिंग माय रूम. अभी तो मैंने ऐसे यहाँ पर अपना बैग रखा हुआ है, जिम बैग रखा हुआ है, यहाँ पर मेरा डब्बल भी पड़ा हुआ है कमरे के अंदर, एंड देन सडनली द रूम इज गोइंग टू बी स्पिक एंड स्पैन बिकॉज़ देयर इज अनदर ह्यूमन बीइंग. मेरे को अपने वार्डरोब्स में भी जगह उसके लिए बना के देनी पड़ेगी. दीस वर हिज क्वेश्चंस. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई कंप्लीटली सिंपैथाइज. आई पूरा मैं आपके साथ सपोर्ट में हूँ.
Sympathy नहीं help कर रही. Yeah, no, I guess again it's acceptance, I guess. Change is always tricky, right? It will always come with a lot of friction and resistance. But again, you don't have to react. It's like, hi, I breathe in, let's give it time. Because it's a change for both the people, right? She's also living in a very different environment, in a very different space. For me also, maybe staying at the same place, it's a very different environment that has shaped now. So we both are navigating through change. I'm not comparing the intensity. For you it is high, for me it is low. मेरे लिए मेरा जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, सबके लिए अपना पेन बड़ा है.
फेवरेटिज्म कितना हो गया घर के अंदर आयुषी के आने से? फेवरेट बहू, बेटी आ गई है घर के अंदर।
वो तो है ही ना, शी
I
इज
know.
द बेस्ट वन,
I
व्हाटएवर
just got this vibe कि पापा की बहुत ज़्यादा आयुषी के साथ
या
understand.
We get along really well.
I just
Yeah.
got this vibe.
हाँ.
Just got this vibe.
and we
हमेशा
are
से I
super
think
happy about it.
जितना ever since I started meeting them also, Yajin would be like, I've never seen my dad talk that much
Yeah.
with anybody.
Yeah.
And then we would be sitting आराम से धूप में अभी ठंड में.
Because I saw him at the engagement, I saw him very fondly looking at Ayushi. मैं साइड पे बैठ के उनको ऑब्जर्व कर रही थी and I saw him very fondly looking and I was so happy. I had water in my eyes. I don't know what came over me, but I felt very happy that you know this kind of love we want when we are leaving our family and going. We want this kind of love for us, this kind of emotion for us. आयुषी आपसे एक क्वेश्चन मैं पर्टिकुलरली पूछना चाहती हूँ. आज ही सुबह मेरी रील आई है, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ फीमेल financial independence.
Love that you brought it up.
Because I became financially independent at a very later age in life. It's not about how much money I'm earning. It is about I'm a completely different Nivedita. Complete transformation of my personality.
Absolutely.
So, because the girls here are listening, and maybe the sisters or the mothers are also going to watch this podcast and the reels, फीमेल फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है शादी से पहले, शादी के बाद, बच्चे पैदा होने के बाद, आपकी लाइफ के लास्ट डे तक कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है?
बहुत लेवल्स में, एंड नॉट जस्ट फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस, फाइनेंशियल एजुकेशन आल्सो, कि व्हाट टू डू विथ मनी, वेयर टू गेट मनी एंड व्हाट टू डू विथ इट. और ये बहुत कम है परसेंटेज वाइज, बहुत ही कम लोग हमारे देश में फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट है, फीमेल्स. और अगर हैं भी तो it's somewhat a pool.
I feel the finances are their finances are also being controlled by the men folk in their lives.
I know a lot of people जो हाँ they'll get salaries, but उनके salaries का क्या हो रहा है, कहाँ invest हो रही है. They might have the transparency, but they don't have the interest कि कहाँ जा रहे हैं पैसे, कैसा हो रहा है, बढ़ रहा है कि नहीं. तो it's very very important, and thankfully I am surrounded by female friends who are all very good investors and very good, we talk finance a lot together. Love
Which is a
that.
very rare subject with females.
Very rare subject.
Very rare subject. I don't know क्यों females भागते हैं finances को discuss करने से, या if you're earning money, why the right investment is important and why you should have a backing and everything. I don't know why females run away from it.
Because the reason is it was never dining room conversation.
Yes.
As compared to, like, this is something that I will always be forever grateful to my father for, is that when I was 10 years old, he was like, I'm taking you to a bank and I'm starting a bank account for you at 10.
Wow.
And he's like, you have to understand everything from banking sector, from investment and all. First salary comes in. When my first salary came in, he's like, I'm calling a banker home. He's starting SIPs for you. Matlab, every moment wherever financial things changed for me, he was like, you gotta know what you gotta know. And same thing goes for my mom, because she has pushed my dad हमेशा से कि भाई इन्वेस्ट करना है, सेव करना है तो करना है, राइट? वी आर गonna grow, we're not gonna stagnate. तो my parents I'm hugely grateful for, and that is why women run away, क्योंकि ये कभी
सिखाया
बात
नहीं
नहीं
गया
गई
हमें।
की गई. बचपन से आप बात करो
जैसे हम लोग बाद में बात करती हूँ कि सेल्फ लव के बारे में हमें बचपन से कॉन्सेप्ट सिखाया ही नहीं गया. अगर शीशे के सामने थोड़ा सा भी एक्स्ट्रा खड़े हो जाते थे ना, बड़े आजकल शीशे के सामने खड़े हो रहे हो भैया, और आज वही है मिरर एक्सरसाइजेस करो, प्लीज करो.
वही बचपन में लोगों में बोलते थे सेल्फिश मत हो, और अब बोल रहे सेल्फिश होना अच्छा
Selfish होना
है. तो कंफ्यूज तो है ही. सेम विद फाइनेंसेस.
Conditioning
बचपन
है.
से आई थिंक फॉर द यंग पेरेंट्स नाउ, टॉक टू योर किड्स अबाउट फाइनेंसेस, कि मनी आता कहाँ से, जाता कहाँ है, ऑल ऑफ दैट. सेकंड, इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर फीमेल्स, इवन इफ हमेशा आपकी जिंदगी में बहुत ही प्यार बना रहे, यू आर इन अ ग्रेट रिलेशनशिप, आई एम नॉट इवन टॉकिंग अबाउट द नेगेटिव्स, बट तब भी the sense of confidence and independence that comes in from having your own pool of money.
I was exactly about to talk about this कि आपका खुद का पैसा ना आपको बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस भी देता है और एक सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी भी देता है.
Absolutely. You can make your own big decisions.
Yes.
आपको कुछ भी खरीदना है, कुछ बड़ा करना है.
I remember I don't ask anyone for anything. Like मैं क्या कर रही हूँ क्या, and no one asks me like कि कहाँ पे स्पेंड करी है, कितनी सैलरी जा रही है, कैसे इन्वेस्टमेंट हो रही है, क्या है क्या नहीं. So that I put up a reel today morning only on this कि कितना important है, because I am seeing a personality change in my own self. So I feel that every female should work. अब बड़ा काम करो, छोटा काम करो, should work, should earn a certain amount of money, जितना भी comfortable है ना, उसमें से कुछ percentage, जितना भी आप कमा रहे हो, you should keep it aside as your wealth building.
Absolutely.
I
Wealth
think
building
it's
is
very
so
mandatory, not only for us females in India, but all over the world. It's mandatory.
important.
And
लोगों
I'm
को
learning
realize
this from her. Honestly, matlab, I have no shame in
Lady
saying
Luck.
that. Lady Luck, apart from it, as she said, that she has been exposed to that financial education. I was not. And I'm still finding myself a little illiterate. And now I have a banker in home. So I'm like, bhai, tum dekh lo, mere ko nahi pata.
It's very important because, you know, all days are not the same in life.
True.
So you have to, if you have a strong financial backing, it helps you a lot. It helps you a lot.
absolutely.
We can't deny the importance of money in life. We can't deny.
No,
जितना
yesterday
मर्जी हम
only
कर
we
लें.
were talking about the world is running around two things right now: money and love.
Yeah.
And these are the two things that we need apart from oxygen
To survive.
to basically have, मतलब, why we are getting up
A
in the
decent
morning.
life.
Either we are earning to making the ends meet, or
But we are there to spread love and get love.
yes. So these are the two forces. Forces would be bigger force would be love, I guess,
Yes.
but greed is money. But these two are the things that we need in life. And if
Money we need because if we have to run our lives, we need money. पहले तो barter system होता था ना कि आप मेरे घर में गेहूं ले आओ, मेरे घर से चावल ले जाओ. आपके यहाँ पर आज सब्जी गोभी की लगी है तो मेरे घर से तुम पालक ले जाओ. पहले हम ऐसे करते थे. बेसिकली क्या होता था, खाना खाना था. With all the paraphernalia now surrounded with our lifestyles and all, and पैसा तो जरूरी है.
Absolutely.
Otherwise तो फिर
कैसे
मतलब
चलेगा?
मुश्किल हो जाएगा. कैसे
और
चलेगा?
उसके लिए आपको लव भी बहुत जरूरी है, because just by having money and not to spend with someone
Yes.
is of no point.
It's a no.
So hence you need love or lovely relationships.
Thank you.
देख.
उसका
Such
खत्म
a
हो गया
cute,
ना.
such a cute example of showing love.
बहुत देर से मैं सोच रही थी I need water.
He understands your unsaid words.
Not always.
बट यू नो आपने बहुत ही बढ़िया क्वेश्चन पूछा और ये लोग मतलब ये लोगों को समझता नहीं है कि आप जैसे रोज बाहर जा रहे हो, आप और आपका पार्टनर रोज यू गोइंग आउट एवरी डे एंड एवरीवेयर यू गो ही इज पेइंग, द मैन इज पेइंग. ठीक है, आपको कुछ भी नेल पेंट भी खरीदनी है, यू आस्क यार इसके 50 रुपए दे दो, व्हाटएवर. उस समय इनिशियली इट माइट बी फाइन, बट ओवर टाइम आपको रियलाइज नहीं हो रहा है कि इट इज समवेयर इम्पैक्टिंग योर सेल्फ वर्थ, राइट? एंड ये 20-30 साल बाद I've seen in my mom's generation, now it's hitting them when they're 50. Now it's hitting them कि ओ मेरी कोई वर्थ ही नहीं है अब, क्योंकि बच्चे भी बड़े हो गए, आई एम एन एम्प्टी नेस्टर, अब कुछ है ही नहीं, अब मैं करूं क्या? मतलब आई एम ऑफ नो वैल्यू, पीपल आर थिंकिंग, विमेन आर थिंकिंग. क्योंकि
इस वैल्यू ही हमने दूसरे के हाथ में दी हुई थी अपनी.
वैल्यू जब तक बच्चे घर पे थे, बच्चों को खाना देना, ये करना वो करना वाज मेकिंग यू इम्पोर्टेंट. अब जब बच्चे ही नहीं है घर पे, यू इट्स जस्ट यू एंड योर पार्टनर, यू सडनली फील आई एम ऑफ नो यूज, right? Which is so sad because women run the household. Women have given up on their dreams to run the household. So
That's true.
yeah, I mean,
I'm so happy. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है अपने बारे में सोच के that I started working at the right time. When the kids grew up and they were not needing me anymore and Samriddhi got married, and then I decided to get into this, do something for myself, and life coaching happened and interiors happened and stuff like that. The last 5 years में मतलब बच्चे मुझे बोलते हैं that मम्मा से मिलने के लिए ना अपॉइंटमेंट लेनी पड़ती है, because I am so constructively occupied and so happy with myself even if I'm sitting alone, because it is so much of, you know, सेल्फ वर्थ भी महसूस होता है, प्राउड वाली फीलिंग भी आती है, एम्प्टीनेस सिंड्रोम भी फील नहीं हो रहा. आई नो दे आर डूइंग देयर वर्क, दे आर बिजी, एंड आई एम नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन देम टू टेक मी आउट एनीवेयर. आई एम नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन देम फॉर मेकिंग मी हैप्पी, मेकिंग मी फील इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज खुद को ही इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस दे देती हूँ, खुद को ही इतना आई लव यू बोल देती हूँ शीशे में देख के. सो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस ऑल्सो टू फाइंड आवर ओन सेल्स, like with time.
and there's no age for it.
There's
Like
no
I
age
give
for it.
your example to so many women. They'll be like, oh, I'm 40 now, how can I start again?
I started at 48.
Yeah, you
I
can
openly
start
say about
whenever.
it.
You can start whenever, right? Which is lovely what you do.
So these guys, my team, they created this beautiful reel on my birthday. So like, age is just a number. I always tell them if I can do it, everyone can do it.
At any age.
So
Yeah.
I feel that वो victor story हमारे अंदर ही होती है.
Yeah, you're a boss now. Like, look at you.
So one more question I want to know: what's the importance of romantic gestures in a marriage or in a relationship?
Really, really important. Again, it's so easy to get caught up in mundane life routines, right? ठीक है, उठना है, खाना खाना है, यहाँ जाना है, वो करना है, so
Not
easy to
cute things.
हाँ,
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगती है.
it's so easy to get lost in all of that. एंड कहीं ना कहीं वो हम ग्रांटेड ले लेते हैं ना कि अच्छा दिस इज माय हस्बैंड नाउ, लाइक तो ठीक है, अब ये तो है ही
ये तो है ही, ये कहाँ जाएगा?
ये कहाँ जाएगा, तो आई डोंट नीड टू डू एनीथिंग. लेकिन एवरी नाउ एंड देन आई थिंक नंबर, मतलब आप उस पर नंबर आप खुद डाल सकते हो कि वंस अ वीक आई विल डू समथिंग रोमांटिक फॉर दिस पर्सन, वंस इन 2 weeks, दैट्स अप टू यू, राइट? But for me personally, it is very important to do and receive cute gestures here and there, whether it's cooking a meal for them as a surprise or buying them a gift, expensive gift. It could range from anything to anything, up to you. It's so important. I mean, I don't know, what do you think?
I guess the thoughtfulness is the key. If you are into that relationship and if you are thoughtful, it happens automatically. You don't have
You
to.
want to do things for the
You want to
partner.
do things, and it is not about कि मेरे को हफ्ते में एक बार करना है. It's like आपको जब वो feel हो गई need, आप वो कर लेते हो. So it comes naturally to you when you are invested into a relationship. And undoubtedly, in order to just answer your question, if it is important, it is indeed important. And if you are invested, it will happen automatically. You don't have to like pull forces to do it. Right? It just happens.
But you have to act on your thoughts. A lot of
Yeah.
people I've seen, at least the people I coach, they're like, अरे मैंने तो ये कितनी बार सोचा है ऐसा करने का अपने पार्टनर के लिए, बट आप सोच में ही
Action,
रह जाते हो.
हाँ, action नहीं
ये मेरे साथ भी होता था पहले. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं होता था. I would be thinking of the same thing that she's expecting maybe, but it's like it was still in my thoughts. But it as I was telling you, maybe it is like I was operating from a different pattern because I was not exposed to this kind of environment before, or I have not read those books. So it takes time, but
8 rules of love with Jay.
yeah. She's writing a book, so maybe.
Wow.
Yeah. It's believing in love. When you have that intent of believing in love and you are pouring into it, you are also getting so much, then you also want to do it. So it works like it's a two-way street.
Equation.
And
Give and take.
और उसमें कोई वो नहीं है. It's not like 50-50 कि तुमने उस दिन 3 चीजें करी तो मेरे को 3 ही करनी है, या तुमने एक करी अब तुम्हारी चांस है. नहीं,
वो नहीं होता. I
वो
think
हो ही नहीं सकता.
it's just the gesture that matters.
Yeah.
वो होना चाहिए.
And I feel proud of the fact that I'm not sure if it is a romantic gesture or not, but it's a gesture that we say a lot of thank yous in our relationship. I have seen people, if you do certain thing for me, it's like when I say thank you, bhai ab thank you bolega kya? And I'm like, why do you discard that? It is such a powerful word. And I have seen
हम जब power of gratitude की बात करते हैं और उसको इतना emphasize करते हैं हम लोग,
and people just discard it. And I have seen that in our relationship for any small gesture that we do,
small or big.
small or big, it just comes naturally for us to say thank you. So it's like,
I think उससे पूरी energy भी change होती है उसके साथ.
totally.
You
And
feel
it's like-
appreciated for
Yeah.
what you did.
and you
Yeah.
get acknowledgement, though you are not doing for acknowledgement. If I just pass on the water that she asked for, hey, can you pass me the bottle? And I did. I'm not seeking any acknowledgement, but it comes thank you. So it's like, Arey, hi, right?
Achha
As you
laga.
said, that the shift in the energies, right? You do the things that you are meant to do, but even if you get in,
The other person is acknowledging that, you feel
it
appreciated and you
becomes
feel
so
nice about it.
powerful. It becomes so powerful, and then again, it acts as a foundation. Then you want to do more. Then you want to build more. Then you want to create more. Then you want to be innovative. You want, like, the thoughtfulness grows, and everything grows in that sense, I believe. So, yeah, from thoughtfulness to gestures, everything is important.
So Yajan, Ayushi, हम कुछ coffee with Karan से कम नहीं है. So we are going to have a rapid fire round. And जिसके end में आपको gift भी मिलेगा.
Yay!
Only to the winner though, right?
नहीं, हमारे केस में हमारा हर गेस्ट विनर होता है. हम बिल्कुल भी पार्शियलिटी नहीं करते. Every guest is a winner.
I can
So,
see that.
Let's start.
Yeah.
Ready, steady, go. So आप दोनों में से ज्यादा रोमांटिक कौन है?
Wow. This was supposed to be
Rapid
rapid fire.
You both are thinking about it.
Him.
Okay.
Yeah, she
Yeah.
brought the
You
cute
accept
kid
this?
inside
You accept
from me.
this
Yeah.
ताज जो आपको मिला अभी
हाँ,
ये
हाँ, बहुत अच्छे
ऑस्कर
से।
अवार्ड मिला आपको
कैसे she keeps doing like this. So I'm learning. But yeah, she has helped me bring that cute kid inside me. So
Who said I love you first? Jen, so proud of you.
I know.
मेरी फट गई थी.
सबसे best. सबसे पहली डेट कहाँ हुई थी?
I don't know. We don't do
Retreat हुई थी
dates.
हमारी, date नहीं हुई थी.
We don't do dates as such.
Maybe Mumbai. After
don't know.
traveling for 6 months, she told me dates भी होती हैं.
हाँ.
And that was the chapter. I was like, ये क्या होता है?
ये क्या होता है? This is something new.
मैंने कहा,
Out of
6 महीने-
syllabus है ये तो.
मैंने कहा 6 महीने से हम साथ ही तो हैं.
After already dating for 8 months would be our first date in Bombay.
Yeah, when I learned कि नहीं तुम्हें plan करना होता है, तुम्हें restaurant ढूंढना
बुक
पड़ेगा.
कराना है, वहाँ पे
हाँ.
फ्लावर अरेंजमेंट,
हाँ.
सॉफ्ट
See, I
म्यूजिक,
told you तो अभी तक कर क्या रहे थे लाइफ में.
Yeah.
डेटा इरेज हो चुका था ना.
हाँ.
ये नया सॉफ्टवेयर आ रहा है. कौन ज्यादा जल्दी नाराज हो जाता है?
Obviously.
मुझे मालूम था. ये तो हमारे मंक है, पहाड़ों से आए हुए. एक दूसरे की एक अनोइंग हैबिट जो आप प्यारी लगती है.
जो अब प्यारी लगती है. बहुत सारी है.
पहले अनोइंग बताओ ना कि अनोइंग लगती क्या थी और अब कैसे प्यारी लगती है.
He has this thing to make everything funny. मतलब हम कुछ भी सीरियस भी बात कर रहे हैं या कोई प्लान भी बन रहा है तो he will make a joke on it first and then get to. It's just as reflex.
वही तो बोला ना, बॉम्ब फट जाएगा, मैं पहले मजाक में कहूंगा, फिर
तो पहले I would
Help
get
करूँ.
really annoyed कि क्या है यार. अब now I've started anticipating it कि अब ये कुछ ऐसा बोलेगा फिर इसको इग्नोर
जाएगा
करते हैं
ये.
आगे चलते हैं. तो
एंड यू ये जो
अब मेरे को पता नहीं अभी तक कि मेरे को अनोइंग क्या लगता है.
डरना मत, वो पीटेगी नहीं घर जाके. डोंट वरी.
ये सिर्फ कैमरे तक तो मैं सेफ हूँ, उसके बाद का किसी को नहीं पता.
please.
But genuinely I don't think so. There is something earlier that मतलब ये खुद ही वो बहुत क्यूट लगने लगा कि there was some, not some, we can remove the word some, there was clumsiness, but then she herself will make fun of it कि अभी spill कर दे ग्लास यहाँ पर ऐसे हाथ मारते हुए
Start laughing.
क्या आ रहा है मैं clumsy. So it never felt like कि हाँ यार ये annoying. It's like, oh, and for me it's like if we can laugh about it, we are already winning in life. So I guess we are there already कि ऐसा कुछ है नहीं.
क्यूट. कौन बेटर एडवाइस देता है?
Oh, damn.
एडवाइस ज्यादा कौन देता है? बेटर कौन देता है? डिफरेंट आंसर.
चलो change
एडवाइस
कर दो.
ज्यादा यजन देते हैं क्योंकि ज्ञान बांटना इज दिस थिंग ही डज.
It comes naturally to me. I'm born with it.
Yeah, can't help.
But I would say my advice is more scientifically backed. Like it's
I think
more
your advices are going to be
And
more
you said you're not diplomatic.
practical, logic based. उस तरह के advices होंगे.
मेरी ऐसे होती है बिल्कुल साइकोलॉजी बुक बेस्ड कि देखो ह्यूमंस आर दिस वे. या
Your favorite thing about each other?
so many. I mean, one thing. How do you pick
तीन
one
बता.
thing? You go first.
मेरे को लगता है we can laugh, we can be friends, and we
Yeah.
can laugh on anything, we can share anything.
Mhm.
मतलब we have reached to a level where, and not just now, since the time we have accepted that yes we are together, the comfort has come so naturally to us.
Sharing comes very natural.
Absolutely.
Comfort.
So this is one thing that I actually adore and admire, and thanks to her for creating that space. So yeah, another thing. What was the question?
Favorite
thing about each other.
Yeah,
मेरे को भी
favorite
देखना.
thing about each other में मेरे को ऐसा लगता है that she has given me a space where I can communicate about myself. So this is beautiful for me, and all thanks to her for creating that space for me. So yeah. 3 बताने हैं क्या?
Like
बाकी?
my
हो गया.
favorite thing about him would be he's very very safe to be around in terms of emotionally. मतलब he's a yes person. मतलब मैं कुछ ऐसा वाइल्ड आइडिया दूंगी कि जैसे अभी हम हिमाचल में थे काम से, ना, I was like शिमला चले क्या? He's like हाँ ठीक है, देखो कितना दूर है. मतलब it's never a reaction. It's never a ट्रैफिक में फंस गए अगर मेरी
I
वजह
find
से.
him very easygoing.
हाँ मतलब
Does that
way,
make me a people pleaser?
No.
no, but मतलब he's so
He's worried about himself.
So yeah, psychological safety. I mean, it's loaded, but yeah, it's so.
I agree with it because even when we were at the retreat, I don't know Yachan को कैसे पता लग जाता था that Nivedita needs a hug right now, and he used to come to me. Yes, I need it. and I used to break down. मुझे याद है, और every time he was the first person to come to me. I don't know इसको कैसे पता लग जाता था, and he used to come and say, I appreciate that and I really value that.
Thank you.
अगर एक दूसरे को एक वर्ड में डिस्क्राइब करना हो तो वो क्या? You first about the lady.
One word.
One
हाँ,
word.
ये तो बहुत ही कम है. Mind.
Ah, I love it. I love it. इससे ऊपर कोई आंसर ही नहीं है.
विनर की बात कर रहे थे आप कुछ? Are you still competing?
And Ayush, copy paste कर सकते हैं.
Dua.
Dua.
The word
Wow.
and the word.
Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Both answers. Okay, यहाँ पर एक मैं पूछूंगी. If the retreat, LBD retreat, is an emotion,
Hmm.
what is going to be that for both of you?
Emotion. I don't know if it's an emotion or what,
Yeah.
but it's authentic or real.
For me,
Like it makes me
yeah,
feel very real.
fulfillment.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, or service, if that is our again an emotion or
Yes.
not.
Contribution, we can
Yeah.
say.
Yeah,
Yeah. So who won?
obviously. Us.
The couple wins. The couple wins.
Yeah.
देखो यहाँ पे लव स्टोरी की हम बात करें, हम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते, पार्शियलिटी नहीं कर सकते, otherwise my vote is always with the females.
No,
I'm very
this is-
biased.
When he wins, I win. That's the whole
Yeah,
point.
and this is what I also learned from him, that it's not about you and I, it's about us. So yeah, it's an
I
everyday
think this
learning.
word हम लोग ये जनरेशन ना भूल गई है, the word us. हम
Yeah.
जो होता है ना,
Hmm.
बहुत ज्यादा मैं की दुनिया में हम लोग जी रहे हैं कि मुझे क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, मुझे क्या चाहिए, मैंने क्या करना है, मेरे इमोशंस. So till you don't pour into the other person, ठीक है ना, and for pouring into the other person you have to fill yourself first.
That's true.
वो
Yeah.
जर्नी है आपकी, that you work on yourself and then you give to the other person.
Absolutely.
So thank you so much for being on the show, and अभी आपको हम गिफ्ट देंगे. गिफ्ट नंबर है हमारा.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having us here.
हाँ, ये
It
हमारे
was
लिए तो
such
यही
an
गिफ्ट था.
easy, breezy conversation with you. You're a great host.
Yeah.
Love it.
Thank you so
And a
much.
wonderful human being.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Love you both so much. So ये हमारा Happy World Within merchandise है. So here's the affirmation journal.
Yay. We'll start using it because we have to work on ourselves all the time.
All this. And this is a frame, happiness frame. You can put.
Oh,
it
this
in your
is like
office.
accurate for Yajin, right? I
Yeah.
live my life with gratitude and happiness.
And there's this mug. I'm healthy, happy, and radiant.
Wow. This
I
is
love
you.
this. This is me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's always
And then
radiant.
we have this.
You're not stopping, huh?
ऐसा है, आप आए तो फिर happiness
Thank you.
सब लेके जाएं.
And you have very
Thank you.
beautifully and thoughtfully designed everything to.
Everything.
मतलब अगर in a day, if I am feeling low, if I can just look at them, if I have these things around me, it imbibes that spark and that energy shift in myself, because it's the way you have curated the colors and the thoughtful words that you have written.
Absolutely.
That's the
beautiful.
aim. That's the aim of this merchandise कि जब भी किसी के भी पास ये जाए, it gives hope to people.
Yeah.
It
This
gives
is yeah.
this vision to people that life is very beautiful. कहीं पर भी हमें हारने की जरूरत नहीं है. And constant ऐसे reminders हमें daily चाहिए होते हैं. We all need it.
Daily.
We all
This
need
is
it.
I think this is
Yeah.
perfect. This is something I needed.
She found her
It's
coffee
been-
mug now.
Yeah.
New coffee mug.
Yeah.
So here I brought this beautiful love story today to make you all believe in love. Two different people coming together, falling in love, finding each other, finding their own selves, and creating such a beautiful world for themselves. So अगर ये दोनों कर सकते हैं तो हम सब कर सकते हैं. So our people out over there who have been through heartbreaks, who have been through not so happy relationships, and who have stopped believing in love, stopped believing in the institute called marriage, या जिनको लगता है कि यार अब तो जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, बस अकेले जिंदगी बितानी है, you are. There are these two beautiful, lovely human beings telling their entire story, and we don't work with a script. It's all very natural, all very coming straight from the heart, the questions also and the answers also. So watch this episode, forward it to someone who needs help in finding love in life. But one core thing is, to find love in life, you have to fall in love with yourself first.
Absolutely.
Find yourself first, find what works for you, what does not work for you. किसी ने अगर दिल तोड़ा भी है तो दैट पर्सन हैज कम इनटू योर लाइफ एज अ लेसन. वो जर्नी का हिस्सा थे, वो पूरा आपका डेस्टिनेशन नहीं बन पाया क्योंकि डेस्टिनेशन कहीं और. So thank that person for breaking your heart, for teaching you life lessons, or teaching your soul a lesson so that you go ahead in life. Drop the bitterness, drop the hatred, drop the pain, and believe in the universal power called love.
Beautiful.
100%.
And thank you, Ayushi and Yajan. It was so fun having you both here. And we can do another episode on love and so many other things.
Absolutely.
Totally.
There's so
शादी
much
के
we
6
can-
महीने के बाद की बात. 6
Love
महीने, then 1 साल के बाद क्या क्या? Because we have to keep on giving hope to
Yeah,
everyone
love
out
and
over there.
responsibilities are different, right?
Yes.
I think that is a very good topic.
Yeah.
लोगों को ऐसे love पूरा रोजी रोजी
Yeah,
लगता है.
yeah, yeah. आज हमने
What
वही
does
बात
a
करी है.
marriage take, right? It's a very good
Next we
topic.
can do episode on marriage.
Yeah.
Totally.
yeah.
6 months into marriage, 1 year into marriage.
Let her adapt into this situation first, right? Otherwise, it will be all controversial.
Thank you so much for being
Thank
here
you.
and thanks for all the happiness and the smiles and the laughter. A happy
Thank
world within में हमें यही चाहिए, यही create करना है, यही देना है हमने.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
For being so honest.
God
and genuine.
bless and lots of love and blessings. May you both keep on flourishing, spreading happiness and positivity to the world and एक दूसरे की लाइफ में contribute करते चलो so that you are my permanent role model.
Thank you.
You are ours.
We have this
Thank you.
responsibility, I guess. Thank you.
Done?